Good morning bafethu. Namhlanje sithe nje asike sinithathe sinibeke. Sinikhombise ukuthi usuku la ka-CWP luqala kanjani. So basically every morning when we come to the office, every morning when we report to the office bafethu, one, this is our building, this is our tile building. Sangena phakathi office. So la khona ke sibona the office staff, ama technician lawa I receive instruction every morning ukuthi azoyaphi enzeni. Bayibiza nge-job card, and then kukhona our fleet guy. Mr. Smiya omncane osibo omncane, and then yeah man sibonisa sinqo la our head of the technical department and as well as head of marketing now nangumkhulu yam he's our driver bafethu in marketing, and yeah man this is the office yemali bafethu, and this is Auntie Samu ekuyena ke bafethu osigcinela into okuhleka. So this is our cars man, and of course imoto zethu bafethu niyazi ukuthi into kakhulu ayiphelele kodwa ke iyona le, so la besiphuma besiyobranda le moto eniyibona ngemuva.